He will make a center bearing support using an old tire. He will use a large and sharp iron to split the tire, and it will be necessary to hit it with a hammer to sink the rubber cutter. After it is cut, it will be measured to the same size as the original center bearing, and it will be cut again. Using the sharpest cutter, and soapy water will be added to serve as a lubricant for the cutter. Once the correct thickness and size is obtained, it will be cut into a circle and small holes will be put in it. The purpose of these holes is to prevent the rubber from becoming hard and to prevent the vehicle's propeller from starting to vibrate. This is a durable rubber and it will take a long time before it breaks again. If you liked the video, you can follow and subscribe so you can be updated on the next video.